I'm harvesting some vegetable right now. One more right here. Set this down. Cut one more up here. Hello guys, this is what I have harvest from my garden today. Some mướp đắng right here and đậu rồng, okra, and some tuck right there, calamondin I think, and mướp hương. And I still have some other that I need to harvest. Got these that I need to harvest too. Hibiscus. Let me harvest those. Pretty big. This is another big one. Look at that, really nice. So we can dry these to make some tea. This is what I have got so far here. Very good. Alright, so walking around, I got a lemon right there. Here, lemon. Sugar apple is getting much bigger than last time. More lemon on this tree now. I harvest a couple from this tree, so we got a couple more big ones from it. Another one here. Over here, chăm số 8. We have fruit on it, and this one is wood. It's almost ripe now. Got a couple more on this side, but this is our Jelvis mix of mướp. Still have some mướp right here. Should be ready to harvest in about 2 days. A lot, and another dragon right here, so let me harvest this one. And still have my chân ngón tay. Still a lot of fruit, but it's getting a little bit smaller now. Cây trứng cá right here, I harvest 2 earlier and I ate it. Curry plant, Thai basil right here, more dragon đậu rồng right here on the Jelvis. So the whole pot right here is đậu rồng. Papaya in the pot. Have mướp right here too. This one ready to harvest in a couple of days. And look at this, have a lot of fruit. So I just pick like 4 to 6 of these and make a lemonade every day. And this is my cherry. It's probably gonna have fruit again soon. See the flower here. more moop right here. And barberry cherry, we have a small fruit right here. Moop đắng Travis right here, and I still have my okra at this time of the year. Okra, and I still have a lot of moop coming out. One more right here. This one should be ready in a day or two, and I got a bunch of moop up there. And one more right here. This is chanh dây right here. We don't have any fruit this year. That is our jujube plant. And here's my moop đắng right here. I got one small one right here. Harvest a bunch here, and a small one right here. Pink lemon. It's called pink lemon right there. And this other lemon tree right here, I got one fruit. And more moop right here. Got jackfruit right here. What's this? Rau ngò gai for eating pho. Got Thai cốc Thai right here. Got a lot of aloe vera in here. Anyway, let me drop that there. On the side of the house, I have bee right here, and guk. I still have guk. One, I think two left on the shelf. Three actually. One more. Two more bee. Three guk. This one is about getting ripe here. So we had really success with guk this year. Those are white better leaf. And I have really healthy grass jelly leaf here. But in a couple of weeks, I think we should start cleaning up for the winter. Travis system over here, a lot of around. Another cherry plant right here, and I have more moop, pretty much moop everywhere. One right here, and another one right here. This is my water system here. The easy flow. You can put the look like this thing is cracked right here, so look like this thing, this tank only lasts about a year and a half. So look like this tank is toasted. You can see all the crack on the tank. So look like I need a new tank. But I have a pressure regulator here to reduce the pressure down to I forgot what it was. And then there's the adapter come with this kit for the flow coming out the line. The black one is the input, and the white one is output back to the water aerator timer right here, and then that goes to the ground. And basically every pot I have this adapter right here where it drip the water to each plant around my garden. see the drip irrigation here. Over here you can see all around my pot I have drip irrigation to water my pots. Here, and I have the main pipe coming up here where I can run the drip out to the pot, and going over here you can see another hose going down on the floor there, and the drip irrigation pretty much everywhere here. You can see the hose coming up here, all the drip irrigation coming out. See right here, drip irrigation that goes to feed the big pot here. And some up here, and on this side need to put all this back. We have some drip irrigation on this side, some coming up on this side right here. We have some drip irrigation coming up on this side too. On the duck side I do have drip irrigation here too. And one more right here, and I have a setup in my front yard too. It helps a lot. You can see the pipe going over here. And this needs to go into this pot here. This is all of our harvest so far. Duck and some bee. Lot right here. In my front yard I got a bunch of chili right here, doing really good. Have a lot of chili. Look at this flower, guys, really pretty. Look at that, all the flower looks so nice. Let's see. The pepper kind of block the flower view, but really nice flower. Got my papaya here. We have harvest probably 10 papaya already. It's so sweet, Caribbean papaya. We still have a lot coming before the winter hit us in February. So we only have one papaya for this year, but that's pretty much enough for us to eat every day. Got drip irrigation here. And on this side pretty much I have drip irrigation. You can see right here, and one more down there. On this side, one more right here along the front. It's pretty messy. I don't have time to work on my yard yet, and I have a drip irrigation coming down this way over here. I have drip irrigation all over this area. Trying to find the drip irrigation. That's it right there. So pretty much around this area it's got water automatically. It looks like I can harvest a couple of these. This one right cracked. This one looks good right here. Oh, this one looks good too. Another lemon tree here. Got drip irrigation down there for every plant. And the shop right here. And this is my drip irrigation system here. With this clock here, and I can put some Miracle-Gro in here, and it can feed out and fertilize all my plants in the front. Back here, so those are PVC pipe that I ran myself from the main line here. I cut it out before. Just this is a main line going straight up, but then I cut in between and I installed this water softener kit, and I got all this valve here if I need to shut off, and basically the bottom right there going down to my drip irrigation before, so it doesn't go through the water softener set here. Just straight water from the city, and everything feed into my water softener, and softener output here. And I anytime I need to do a service, I can shut this one down and shut this one off, and then feed the main water straight into my house, and then I do the service on my water softener. After I'm done, I'll just seal this one back up and then open this two valve to get it recirculate. Yeah. And then my water softener, it has a draining line that I feed into my drain clean out right here on the side of my house. Got this section in the front of my house also have drip irrigation going through. Also we have harvest half of the ring here, so still have a lot more here. This is a bucket of ring that we harvest. This is some of the ring that we have cleaned up already. Fresh pull from the yard. We still have a lot yard that we need to harvest. That's it guys for my garden tour. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Drop me a comment for anything. Pretty much follow me for more. Peace.